Racing Jesse started with Don Albertini. Break quickly, restart, rushing about the outside is Malaya. Hot and Spicy comes next. Penrit, Eugenie second last, while up to that is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch, we have Malaya. Penrit is running by the rail, rushing about the outside. Hot and Spicy, and in port comes Don Albertini. A long way back to Eugenius, racing second less, while up to that, now racing in less, back to the leader, we have Malaya. Mayorling Kenny Hop, Hot and Spicy is on the outside. Penrit is running by the rail, third, and in port comes Don Albertini. Moving up now on the outside is Love to That, while Eugenie now racing in last 400 meters of the race. We have Malaya by our length. Hot and Spicy remains in second. Penrit, then comes Don Albertini. Love to That, while Eugenie is still in last as they swing for home. Malaya by our length and a half. Hot and Spicy is on the outside. It's now Hot and Spicy now moves up, and finally it's an upset by Hot and Spicy over Malaya. Then comes Penrit.
Alright, buying Caderista, we have a giant upset coming from Hot and Spicy, ridden by Deo Fernandez. Then masisigundo nga, itong si Malaya Penrit. Galing. Talagang giant killer to, si Hot and Spicy. Panoorin natin, replay.